Hello everyone. As we continue our unit on the solar system, it's time to show what you know. The objective for this project is for you to create a travel guide of the universe that will be used by students in the future. Imagine having the ability to travel anywhere in space. Where should they go? And how should they prepare? How will their new vacation spots compare to Earth? And what can they do when they get there? These are all questions you need to ask yourself as you complete your guidebook. So where do you start? Well, at the sun. That's your starting point, and then document your recommended trip through the solar system, noting any hazards or sightseeing opportunities along the way. Remember, you are writing a travel guide, as you will want to highlight all the benefits and pitfalls of each location. These future kids are looking to you for advice. I'll be handing out a detailed rubric in class tomorrow, but for now, I will tell you your guide must include each location in the solar system in relation to Earth, a summary of each setting, the local geography, landmarks, climate and weather, great pictures and images, and don't forget what the locals would do for fun. Your guidebook should give an overview of the entire solar system, but must focus on at least 2 stops. There is no limit, though, to how many areas you want to recommend. The details are up to you, but be as creative as possible because you are going to be publishing your work. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. We're going to be working on the books in class, so I'll be around to help with whatever you need. Now I'm going to show you the app that I would like you to use for the research. The NASA app is currently downloaded on the iPads and looks like the icon on the top left of the screen. For the app, you will find many categories of interest. Please take the time to go through them when you get the chance because they might include interesting additions to your guide. In class, though, we are going to focus on the box name Featured. As you enter this area, you will find some amazing interactive links with great resource information for your guides. The first one is Image Collection. Can you spot any Earth images that can also be seen on other planets? Mountains and volcanoes are notable landmarks that may help you with comparisons. The images are really remarkable. Now let's back out of this and look at a different section. The link for Interactive Image is a great visual for the solar system which shows the Earth in relation to other planets. This link may help you organize your trip. Touch each planet to get detailed facts, pictures, and interesting bits of information. So let's look at Mercury. Kind of looks like our moon, right? Well, there are reasons for the similarities, which you will learn here. Scroll down the page to see need-to-know facts, a complete look at the atmosphere and conditions, and information about NASA data collected. You'll find out all of the great tools NASA has to investigate these other worlds. Keep going down the page to see significant dates and trivia information that may come in handy for you. There's a lot of great information on here that will really give you a complete look at this first planet. Now let's back out of Mercury and look at the big gas planets. Let's take a look at Saturn. Again, there are great pictures, need-to-know facts, NASA data, significant information, and trivia. How do these planets differ from our own? How do they differ from each other? All the information is here. Now, if you go back to the interactive page and return to the featured page, you will find many other links that will be useful to you. We just finished up a volcano unit here, and you can see a link for volcanoes in the solar system and learn a little more about that. There is a section on gravity, moons, comets, and more. You can see everything here. I don't think I need to tell you pros how to investigate a website. We will use our class time this week for research, both individual and then group, so we can bounce some interesting things around. I will be there to help you organize your research and help you with any questions you may have. Each night you'll have some video lessons to review about the planets we just researched. And each morning we will have a quick in-class quiz to make sure we're all on the same page before we continue. So enough about this. Now it's time for a quick tutorial. Let's take a look at this other app downloaded on your iPad called Book Creator. It's where you will be writing your travel guidebook for publishing. So here's the short tutorial. To create your own book, in the top left corner hit My Books, then hit New Book in the top left corner again. You will get 3 options for creating your title page. At your title page, you could customize it in any way you wish. If you want to copy an image off of the internet, you have to go to your internet browser, find the picture you'd like, press and hold your finger on the button until this menu comes up, and hit copy. Then go back to the page, press your finger on the screen again, and wait for paste to come up. Once you hit it, the picture will show, and you can drag and move the drawing all you want using your finger. You can also extend the drawing by dragging the blue dots in the corners of the picture. The plus sign in the top right corner also allows you to upload any photos off of the iPad from your camera, or you can add sound and text. When you want to add text, you hit the button, and then this menu pops up, and you can type any message you'd like. Once you're finished, you drag the text like you would the picture, and to adjust it, you hit the eye icon in the top right corner. This drag bar allows you to adjust the size of the font. You can bold, italicize, or underline the font. You can change the different font styles, change the color of the text box itself and the text. You can add a background color to the text box. You can add a shadow to the back of the text, and you can align the text like you would in a regular document. Now, if you want to customize the page itself, you would click off the picture or your text and hit the I button, and then you can adjust the page color from the icon there. If you want to move pages, hit the right arrow key to move to the right. So here is a blank page, and that's the exciting part, because the rest is up to you. Don't get too hung up with the details or formatting your book. The app is super easy, and I will be with you to help. Alright, don't forget for homework you have the video lesson and a quick quiz in the morning before we start our research. See you in class tomorrow, guys.